despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me, shadowing me, I won. Oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me, shadowing me, I won. Oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here in North Las Vegas and we are featuring a beautiful home by Lennar. And with Lennar, everything's included. They have that trademark, so I am excited. And as I was driving by to this model home, there's a lot of parks here, and also there's a lot of restaurants and supermarkets around. So this is a very nice community here. And before we proceed on this tour, I would really appreciate if you would like this video and subscribe to the channel page so that you will not miss any of my videos in the future. And also, you are very welcome to share this video to your friends and family members. That will be great so that they can see this kind of home. And also, after this tour, please don't forget to check out the channel page. There's a lot of home tours there, and there is a playlist per builder so that you can easily check out the different builders that I have toured so far. Okay guys, I'm pretty excited. Let's do this. Let's join together and tour this home together. Okay guys, this is the home. Look at the stonework. It looks great. And then you have your two-car garage, and then this paver here. I like the style of the door. It has something on it. Yeah, this one. Okay, so wow, this is a nice stonework here. And the entrance is on this side. Right, very private entrance. Okay, let's check this beautiful home. 2,348 square feet. Let's see what's happening here. Ooh, wow. Okay, so upon entering the house, you can see on your right side, I believe that's the main living area, but I also am seeing something on this, which is very tucked in there. So let's go first on this side. Let's see what's happening here. By the way, the flooring looks nice. Ooh, first floor laundry. It opened automatically. Love that. Okay, so you have immediately your laundry area. I believe this is the garage. Yeah, we cannot open it. You have your future car charger there for your electric car. Oh, wow, first floor bedroom. I love first floor bedrooms, guys. This is very ideal if you have in-laws, parents, or if you want your friends to be separated from you and have their own privacy all the way here. This is nice. Hey, so far so good. First floor bedroom is ideal for everyone, guys. Okay, so that's that. Oh, by the way, I forgot. Sorry. We have to go back. I think I've seen something here. Yes, there is of course, there is a first floor full bathroom because you have that bedroom there. Hello, guys. Right? You can upgrade this, guys, if you want to quartz, and this one you can make this really very nice by having a shower there and a very nice wall tile if you'd like to upgrade. But with Lennar's, everything's included. They normally upgrade the flooring and the backsplash, they said, but those are not really that expensive, they said. Okay, so I am at the corner of this dining area here, and this is how it looks like. Right, that's the second floor. There's something here. This might be yes, it is a coat closet. Okay, there's something here also. What is this? Okay. Ooh. Okay, so you have another. I'm gonna go all the way here. Yes, it's deep because it's under your stairs, so you can definitely store a lot of your seasonal stuff here, like Halloween costumes, which is all right around the corner, and also your Christmas decors. Wow, there's another secondary bedroom, or this might be an ensuite bath. It looks to me this is the primary bedroom because I can see like a primary, meaning like a owner's bathroom here, which is pretty large. So that means this is the primary then. Hello, guys. You have your double sink here. The ladies would love the seating arrangement for their makeup. And that is your tub, and that is your shower. You can definitely make this more interesting by including really nice wall tiles all over this, like from side, all of this side. This will make it more impactful. Okay, so you have your toilet area there, and you have a mini linen closet here. Let me open the lights. Yes. And then this is actually pretty huge. Let me open the lights. It's deep. Okay, so yeah, so let me show you guys how deep it is. It's all the way there. And then you still have it here. So yeah, this is a very deep closet. You can make this more interesting by doing a cabinetry here, right? With LED lighting. This will make it more beautiful. Okay, so I believe this is the first floor primary bedroom, which is really nice, right? If you're retiring, this is perfect. Because there is a second floor, so that means there's something there as well. That's theirs. Okay, so let's check out your main living area, dining area there. You have your mini foyer there. Look at your kitchen, guys. Really nice. I love the counter they used here. What I will just suggest, if you'd like, is put like a waterfall edge there. This will make it more even, beautiful. Look at the grains, guys. This is a really nice grain. That's your microwave and oven stove. Right, this is nice. And that's your living room area there. It's a different configuration, right? Let me go to your living area. You have your TV here. This is a very spacious one. Oops, sorry about the noise. This is a really spacious living room area, guys. Okay, so far so good. And that's your backyard there, which we will try to access if we can. But this is how it looks like. right? If I am at the door of your backyard, look at the flooring, right? It's clean looking. Okay, so far so good. Love this counter here. Really nice counter. Okay, so far we have 2 bedrooms, right? 1 and then 2. And then this bedroom here, which is the primary bedroom, has its own bathroom, of course, and then that one has its full bathroom too. Let us check this one first. Okay, so this is a mini pantry here, not really that big, but at least you still have that pantry there. There's a lot of counters here, so it's not really that a big deal if you have a small pantry area. Yeah, this is a different setup for some reason. Okay, that's the closet area we saw. There's a lot of storage space in this house. Let's check out your main living area. It's just quite dark. Maybe the lighting is not on. Let me turn the lighting on here so that you can see how it is. There you go. So that's the stairs there. Okay. There's a lot of bedrooms here. Let's check out. Oh, wow. Go team. Okay, so you have a loft area, which I believe this could be a huge bedroom as well, because I can see the closet there. Oh, wow. So this is kind of like a movie room, right? Or a homework room for your kids too. Check out the backyard. The balcony. This is a small balcony, but we cannot enter because they normally have that blackage there. But this is how it looks like. I guess they put this so that at least you can have a view of the mountain there, right? Look at the view of the mountain. And you have something to go out to get some fresh air. Okay, so this is like a TV room or a homework room. Let's check out the other things happening here. Mini closet area there, linen closet. Hello guys. And then this is the full bathroom. And then this is another bedroom, right? Okay, so pretty standard size. You have your closet there. So yeah, this is, you can turn this TV room here to be a bedroom if you'd like. But if you already have 3 bedrooms so far, so this is a really nice area here to become your movie night or homework night. Okay, let's go down and see if we can check out your backyard. If we go on the side, because I don't think we can enter there on that door because it's already closed. I saw it. Okay, let's go to the side and see if we can enter the backyard going to the side of the house, right? Let's check that out, see if we can enter it, because I wanted to see how huge it is. Yeah, it doesn't make sense that they close that door there if people can access this backyard from the side. And also, they don't have a swimming pool, so there's really not a lot of risk for people to use that door. I just don't understand. Okay, so you have this cover area. They have their mini patio there, right? Or actually, sorry, not a patio, but stonework with plants. This is a pretty good size backyard. You can definitely put a swimming pool here. This is a pretty good sized backyard, guys. This is how it looks like. That's the balcony we saw a while ago. And this is it. Yeah, this is a pretty large, meaning it's not the largest, but definitely you can put a nice sized swimming pool area here. No doubt. With water feature if you want. Okay. So this is the back of the house. This is a really nice feature here, but I would definitely, if I have to choose, guys, I would definitely just put it all the way to the fence, right? And then put like a nice swimming pool here. That's how I will do this backyard if I have to do it. Okay, so this is your backyard. Let me know, guys, what do you think of this home, right? Just wanted to check your feedback related to this home. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the entire tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to write your comments down below. What do you think of this beautiful home? And also don't forget to like this video, share this video to your family and friends so that they will see this kind of home. And also don't forget to subscribe. Very important, so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Again, guys, this channel is growing because of your continued support of watching my videos, so I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And also don't forget to check out the playlist, so that of the channel page, there is a playlist there for per builder, so that you won't miss any of the tours that I did for any of your favorite builder. Okay, guys, until next time, have an amazing day today.